Hi, this is UJAT Care Founder Michael again with video 4 in the series of staff onboarding, in this particular case, caregivers. There is a second method that your caregivers and employees can join your network, and that's by sending them to the UJAT Care homepage, www.ujatcare.com, and asking them to sign up. This process is convenient if your caregivers are attentive and your staff are motivated. So when I hit the sign up button, I'm asked, what is it that I want to register or sign up as? And in this case, I want to sign up as a caregiver. And again, each one of these is clearly defined so that hopefully there won't be any errors in getting invitations to the wrong job position. So I select caregiver, and next it brings me to a new screen to select the company. In this case, we're using UJAT Care as a test company. So I type in UJAT Care. You'll notice that it gives you a list of companies here. We got UJAT and UJAT Care, and we're going with the UJAT Care, which is in Cape Coral. My designation is caregiver. Now again, here I have to provide the same information that you provided manually in the invitation. I now need to provide as a caregiver. So we're going to go ahead and grab that email address, and we're going to go ahead and add that phone number. There we are. We're going to go ahead and make sure there's no spaces again. Now we're going to go ahead and add the username, Mike Care, and we're going to go ahead and add a password that meets the security requirements. Name is available. The anti-spam tool. Accept the terms. And I previously deleted this account that I created earlier in steps 1, 2, and 3 so that I could reuse it again through this form of registration. And then I submit. That invitation has now been sent, and it's advising me to see if I have an email. So let's see if we've got an email. And so we do, and that email to the caregiver looks like this. So let's copy that link again, paste that link here, and let's complete the process. So now I need to complete it by actually logging in. So we're going to go with Mike Care, and there's the password. Hopefully my system saved it. Now you'll notice the message, your account is not activated. And this is the critical point. At this stage, all that's really happened is an invitation has been sent. So now if I go back to you as an administrator, it's going to require you to go here and go here to invitations. This is again on your side menu under people. And if you notice, here I am asking to join, but my status is X. You can send me an email if you need to, or you can go ahead and try to reach me by phone. So what I need to do is I now need to change this to active. Okay. Now that the status is active, as a caregiver, I can go ahead and complete this registration. Now you heard my phone go off after I clicked the active. And that would mean that I've just received a notification from you that my account's been activated and that I can go ahead and proceed and complete this registration process. So let's go ahead and do that and try to log in now. And it's just sends me the code again. And my code here for this particular activation is 660198. asks a verification. And we're again going to be required to provide our information. Hit submit. And voila, the caregiver's in. Now again, you still have to go here and go to your caregiver list. And you've got to be sure to go to the small gears here where it says manage service permissions, I mean. And I'll go find that caregiver now. Here we go. Classrooms, texting, emails, help, files and folders, and save. And now, as a caregiver, I refresh my screen. And there's classrooms, telephony, and classrooms, of course. Currently is 21st Century Home Care University. There's my profile. And of course, these will be any registered courses that I've taken, but I haven't taken any at this point. And there's the courses here. And for instance, I can request to take in services, take the course, and then I can proceed with this. And documents to download, I have shared folders. Which will be all files shared. And I'll discuss that in another video. So there you go. And the chat room, which we talked about earlier. I hope that you found this helpful. And I'm going to proceed now to our next sessions, which is utilizing files and folders and how to share documents and how to download documents. Thanks for your time again. It's always a pleasure. Thank you for being a UJAT client. And I wish I was a better presenter. This is Michael, UJAT Care Founder, saying goodbye.